Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix USB drive not showing. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to the start menu and search over here, create and format hard disk partition. So click on it. And from here guys, you should be able to see here down below your USB. From here, let's say this is my USB over here. So just simply right click on it and go for change drive letter and paths. And from here, just simply click on change. And from here, just simply try other drive letter or path. So just simply try a specific letter that you prefer and click on OK. And from there, guys, just simply click on yes. And from there, you'll be able to fix the issue. And now, guys, for the second step that you have is just simply go over to the start menu again and go for device manager over here. And from here, just go to disk drives. And from here, guys, just simply right click on your USB and right click on it and click on uninstall device and click on uninstall. And after that, guys, your USB will be removed over here. And after that, just simply go to the desktop over here at the top and then go to action. And from here, just go for scan for hardware changes. And from there, your USB should be reappearing over here and you should be able to fix the issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!